Here are a few techniques explained in Chapter 10. Sometimes we would like to use the raw data to test if our system works properly. This is called a data-driven simulation. For this purpose, we would like to keep values in the text files, one value per line. Let's assume there are the simulation arrival times. In the model, we have a read-write module. This module is able to read from a file of different formats. Text file is one acceptable format. The text file explained in the previous slide is used here to supply the absolute arrival times of entities. The text file needs to set up in the file module. It is listed as a sequential file. Besides text file, read-write module can also handle data from a table of Microsoft Access database. When we use file module to set up the file access, we need to specify it clearly. .mdb is an old MS Access format. Besides text files and access files, read-write module can also handle Microsoft Excel file. Model 10-3 demonstrates how to read from an Excel file. The range to be used by Arena must be named. In File Data module, access type needs to be changed to Microsoft Excel. Read-write module can also write files in many different formats. VBA is Visual Basic for Application. VBA is the common programming language used by Microsoft Office. It is also understood in a few Windows-based applications such as Rockwell Arena. VBA is a subset of Visual Basic language. It uses so-called event-based programming. The events here are software events rather than simulation events. In Arena modeling environment, we may enter VBA edit environment through the VBA buttons in the integration toolbar. The VBA editor interface is just like those found in Microsoft Office software. We can use VBA to program the whole simulation. We can use VBA to design better user interface so that common people without much knowledge about the simulation can use it. This is another example form of user interface design with VBA in Arena. It will take some time for one who has not much experience in programming to learn VBA. I can help those who are interested in using it in the course project after class. Arena Visual Designer is a feature available starting from version 14.0. It can be used to design 3D animation. We can also use it to design dashboard, showing plots, pie charts, etc. Starting from version 14.7, OptaQuest becomes part of the Arena Visual Designer too. When the Visual Designer is activated, it presents us a window for us to design a dashboard or a 3D scene. If we are running version 14.7 or newer, we can also choose to create a new OptoQuest model. This is a screenshot of dashboard design. This is a screenshot of 3D visual design. We introduced a few methods very briefly. When you have special needs on your course project, you may want to come back to see if you can find answers here. If not, Arena also has great help documents and a set of Arena Smart Files. Smart Files are small examples that demonstrate many modeling tricks and techniques.